वेलकम टू आईडब्ल्यू मेंबर। कैसा रहा स्पिट्सविला का जर्नी? बिकॉज आपके एविक्शन से ऑडियंस खुश नहीं है।
So my Splitsvilla journey was full of ups and downs. It was bittersweet. I enjoyed every moment of it except my eviction, obviously. But the people who are saying that they still want to see me back on the show, it's so nice because that's a big thing. And thank you so much, guys, for loving me so much. Baki, the journey was really amazing. It taught me a lot, and I've learned a lot through the entire journey.
क्या लगा था आपके एविक्शन को लेकर? बिकॉज शो कई बार हमने देखा है कि आप आगे जा सकते, लेकिन इतना रीजन से आप नो रह गई थी। आपको क्या लगता है अगर आप नहीं आउट होती तो कौन आउट होना चाहिए था? कितना फेयर है आपका एविक्शन?
Okay, so of course, uh, since I've got evicted, I will say that it wasn't fair because I didn't uh, I didn't deserve to leave the show क्योंकि मैंने तो जो challenge उससे पहले हुआ था, I didn't perform that challenge, and even the challenges से पहले हुए थे, I have performed so much better than the other person who should have got evicted, which is Nikki. So it was very unfair. And Nikki, day prior to I got evicted, she was saying that she wanted to leave the show since Samarthya was not there and everything. So I never thought that she would like just flip and go with Trevon and get me dumped. So it was really sad to see your friend only getting you dumped.
जब बात किया जाए शो की, तो शो में कई सारे हमने फाइट देखे हैं, कई सारे इमोशनल मोमेंट्स भी देखे हैं। कौन सा एक फाइट रहा है या इमोशनल मोमेंट रहा है जो आप अभी तक भूल नहीं पाए?
Vyomesh leaving the show.
Yeah. Okay. So Arushi, if you want to bring up one change in a right now in a Splitsvilla, तो वो क्या होगा?
I think one change I would like. I honestly have no regrets on the show, but if I would want to change something, it would have been going to the Oracle with Samarthya once. Because if not Vyomesh, I think he is my ideal match. So this is the thing I like think I should have tried once, but I never did because I thought I should not do this to my friend, but sadly she did to me. So yeah.
But we have seen कि हम शो में कई बार देखते हैं ना, कंटेस्टेंट का कई सारे दोस्त बनाते हैं, लेकिन उसी दौरान झगड़े भी बहुत होते हैं। तो आपको लगता है कि कोई आपका दोस्त जो कि आपके पीछे बैकबिटिंग कर रहा था, या फाइट हो रही थी आपके बीच? फाइट
nahi, I don't think there has been like any friend because हाँ मतलब okay, so since जब मैं निकली हूँ तो it was because of Nikki and Trevon, both of them. So both of them called me as their friend, but then got me dumped without even like letting. Okay, Trevon did let me know that he wanted to switch, and I was fine with it because I cannot force a guy to just like play with me if he doesn't want to. But if Nikki also wanted to do that, I just expected her to come once to me and just inform me कि see even I want to go with Trevon, because मुझे ऐसा दिखा था कि like Trevon only wanted to go with Nikki and that's it, but Nikki को भी जाना था कहीं ना कहीं, वो मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था। like उनकी डेट अगर आप देखो, so उनकी डेट पे भी she said that I like Trevon and everything, so I never knew about all of those things. So I think I deserve to know about a lot of stuff which these guys didn't tell me. So yeah.
Okay, so Arushi, who is that one contestant जो कि dominating है?
Who's dominating?
Yeah.
I think Kevin. Because if you don't go what he says, he'll get you dumped, just like what he did with Gary and Amrita.
Okay, so you should बीच में या गेम के दौरान भी आपको ऐसा कि आपको अपनी गेम स्ट्रेटजी चेंज करनी चाहिए?
Sorry, I could not hear you.
During the journey you have felt आपको अपनी गेम स्ट्रेटजी चेंज करनी होगी या आपको अलग तरीके से गेम खेलना होगा?
So जब व्योमेश शो पर था, our strategy was to, when we got to know we were not in, पहले तो strategy was to be an idol match, but when we got to know we're not an idol match, अब मुझे अगर ऐसा लगता था कि कोई लड़का मेरा आइडल मैच है, बट अगर वो लड़का मेरे किसी दोस्त के साथ है, तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं नहीं जा सकती थी. सो द ओनली वे आई कुड हैव सर्वाइव्ड इज लाइक विनिंग द चैलेंजेस एंड सेविंग माय सेल्फ. So that was the only strategy by then, just like winning the challenges and saving myself.
ओके. सो आरुषि, अगर आपको अभी भी मौका मिले, अगर आप शो में वापस जाओगे, तो आप किसके साथ कनेक्शन बनाना चाहोगे?
Okay, so I think Samarthya, because if Nikki never thought of me as a friend, so maybe like I would not, because I feel Sam and me have a really good bond than any other people, like any other people on Splits have. So I think Samarthya.
So post show also you guys are on touch? क्या आप सभी से रियूनियन करते रहते हो? Are you on touch with any contestant of Splitsvilla?
Yeah, I am in contact with like everybody almost, especially the other gang. I am in contact with Palak, Nikki. Sorry, not Nikki. I'm not in contact with Nikki. Palak. I'm in contact with Palak, Bhumika, Aditi, and there's Bhumika. I'm in contact with everybody except Nikki.
Okay.
Except Asma as well. I'm not in contact with her.
How was your bond with Sunny and Ranvijay?
Sunny ma'am and Ranujit sir were really motivating. They were there were some challenges jahan pe everybody underestimated me so much, but Ranvijay sir and Sunny ma'am have like motivated me always during the challenges and everything. So very nice.
So finally, any message for the audience who are eagerly waiting to see you in the show or in the any other project?
Okay. So guys, I'm not coming back on the show because Wild Villa just got ended when I got dumped.
Yeah.
So koi option hi nahi hai वापस आऊं. And further projects, if I get, of course, I would love to do. And I just want to thank the platform MTV Splitsvilla for having me and giving me such a great time to work with them, and like letting me learn so much through this show, because it taught me a lot. And all the people who've been supporting me, as well as me and Vyomesh, I just love all of them, because the love is just so much that kabhi kabhi it's like wow, like I literally start crying kabhi kabhi to see like so much of people supporting you. So I just love each one of like you who've been giving us so much of like love.
Thank you, Arishi, for giving your precious time, and all the best for your upcoming project.
Thank you. Bye.